Welcome to Nazareth, Israel, the hometown of Jesus Christ. Today, it's a bustling Arab-majority city that blends ancient holy sites with modern Middle Eastern culture. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best things to do when visiting. If you get inspired to visit Israel yourself, pick up my full travel guide linked in the description. It's packed with tons of useful information to take your trip to the next level. Now let's get on with the video. Our first stop is the Church of the Annunciation. It marks the place where the Angel Gabriel told Mary she would give birth to Jesus. The large modern church contains the ancient grotto venerated as Mary's home. Right next door is St. Joseph's Church, built over what tradition says was Joseph's carpentry workshop. Inside, you can see the stone floors and caves where the family likely lived and worked. Don't miss Nazareth's Old Market. This lively Arab marketplace sells fresh bread, spices, and other local foods. It's a great place to experience modern Nazareth culture. A short walk away is Mary's Well. It marks the ancient water source Mary likely used. Finally, head to Mount Precipice for amazing views. This cliffside overlooks the Jezreel Valley and is where locals tried to throw Jesus off after he spoke in the local synagogue. Thanks for watching. If you get inspired to visit Israel yourself, pick up my full travel guide linked in the description. It's packed with tons of useful information to take your trip to the next level. Until next time, happy travels. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more adventures.